Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a solid black line in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make a solid black line in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes drop down menu and choose Line Shape. Then draw this line. Then click the line and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Outline and select solid black color. Then again go to the Shape Outline and choose white. Then increase the white to see the solid black line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.